kwamanye ama video wakho lapha ku channel yakho ya ku YouTube ukhuluma ngesigubhu yini isigubhu
right isigubhu mfowethu ngisho ngithi this thing can be isigubhu and one day I wanna do it ngifuna ukuthatha ican ye more fire then ngiyivule ngikhiphe drink ngaphakathi ngiyiphuze because I heard that it gives you energy mina ngumuntu ohlala isebenza nasebusuku ngifuna ukuyiphuza then bese ngithatha lento then I wanna give maybe abantu about four businessmen ngithi ngizonika maybe scoop because the scoop samsiya up to 6 million the cheapest is 85,000 ngithi I want 4 businessmen abathi mini business lam it's strong but iyaqala manje it's dropping down ngithi ngizocela ukuthi wena ungilethele bona ngecan la kaMofire ngithi I will make iscoop then lescoop lesingicela ungenzele kanje iscoop kahle kahle akuwona ama parts wabantu ama body parts wabantu and then for us as inyanga kuze sigeze igama lethu because most of them they are saying ukhehle lezo sebenza ama body parts wabantu ngiyacela ukuthi one day I know ukuthi this postcard ihamba this video izohamba ifike kuba different departments aba celeb abaka forensic one day abangene esigodlweni sami bangangitsheli bese bethatha imithi yami bathi lo nalo nesigubhu sakho sicela ukusithatha siyositesta elab ukuthi awekho yini ama body parts wabantu so that they will understand abantu ukuthi it's not umuntu mayiseshonile uyishwa uyimanzi amnyama mawuqala ukuthatha body parts uyawuvala umsebenzi umuntu akaze waba umuthi albino umuntu omhlophe abayeke ukuphilisa ama albino kabuhlungu ukuthi bazophila babaleka ukuthi umuthi no umuntu omhlophe akayona umuthi isigubhu contains of amafutha nemithi ehlanganisiwe impande then lezi zinto bese uyifaka into okuthiwa ovuka imithi leyo bese ushisa impepho lento uyithathe yes what we do uyalithatha kuyoyise ethuneni uyibeke lapho for 3 days then mawubeka la bese uyayithatha because there is a spirit leso umuntu ongasekho ozama ukusiconnecta nalento then mawuyiconnecta nalento sengikunika information ejulile because I know ukuthi abantu bafuna ukuyazi lento ukuthi yini lento sesibiza ukuthi ispoki makuyispoki sawukhuluma nayo sikhona esinye isigubhu esikhulumayo engathi mangikhuluma nazo ngesiphendule it's a voice yomuntu ongasekho but it's a spirit hayi ukuthi kuvuka inyama it's a spirit esivukayo isona sesitshela ukuthi njengamanje ngifuna ukuthi imali ungenzele ukuthi nokuthi hayi ukuthi isigubhu sihamba siyosebenza asihambi siyosebenza you go out there mawufuna itender ufika ukhuluma bakuzwe ukuthi ufuna yini makuthi umfazi wakho uhambile lalela isigubhu sami njengamanje uzibani usibu uhambile hamba umlanda bese then you thatha lamafutha la ushisa empepheni uthi githi manje njengamanje niwela imfula igcwele nidlula ama robot ebomvu nihambe nomfuna angifonele then akufonele kunegroup ezehlukehlukene ezenza different things that is why I'm saying it's a challenge mina without any money angifuni leze inkulu ngicela mina ubusinessman aba u4 who will say we coming front ngicela ukubona lesigubhu siyasebenza nginike angeke ngibenzele ngalento abayisabayo ngizobenzela nje ngesimple I'll take this thing here Mofire then ngisike lento ngiyenze kahle ngidecorate kahle then bese ngithi sona sigubhu this thing uzoyenza kanje uzoyikhulumisa kanje you see izinto ukuthi isigubhu siyasebenza izinto zakethi okufanele that we are supposed to be proud of abelungu they've been asking me ukuthi how come lento ikhuluma how come lento yenza miracles because igugu lethu lelo kufanele ngabe si proud ngayo ukuthi wow this is our culture senza into kanje umuntu ibusiness lakhe selifile but sikwazi ukuvusa ibusiness lomuntu yemithi nje
umehluko wesigubhu se85,000 nesigubhu sika 6 million
yes isigubhu sika 85,000 remember kunomuntu osekasi odayisa ama scopers kunomuntu osekasi odayisa amakheke ohleli etafuleni ohleli odayisa ama sweet 50 cents in uhleli the whole day then at the end of the day ucash up u70 rand he's happy uthi I'm happy 70 rand ngihambe now because udayisa ukwayi 2 rand 3 rand yonke leyo then ebese yafika kimi athi you know what cow ngifuna isigubhu engisifunayo at least ngithi mina at least ufuna ucash up amalini per day athi if ever ngalala ne1000 rand that's fine right then I look at igubhu zami uthi esiphe sinepower isimple lento senza iexample start ibattery lemoto elikhulu sifuna ukuyokhanyisa kwakho ngalo ngeke likwazi ibattery lemoto we need a generator noma sidinga ama solar amaningi so isigubhu sika 85,000 sikwazi ukuphakamisa itafula umuntu one container odayisa amakota umuntu ohleli etafuleni othi I will end of the month ngifuna at least ukuthi cash up yami ngibone ngino 60,000 noma ngino 45,000 isona ke leso definitely sure then lesi esibe sinesika 400,000 esika 400,000 it's similar to that esika 85,000 but stylish ke sona sengisiconvertile sengisenza iwash ukuthi wherever you are going uhamba naso si mobile ngishintsha iwash lakho lelo lithandayo ngithi letha la leli wash lakho then ngiyalithatha ngiyalistripper ngiyalenza libe iscoop ngiyalifaka bese ngithi liqoke umuntu when is looking at you most of them bane wash kanti akulona iwash iscoop kahle kahle sinemithi sifakwe yonke into simixiwe then ngiyalivala ngiyalibuyisela the only different ukuthi alisasebenzi leli wash wena uthi mawulibuka wena ongazibona iwash ngaphandle mawungambuza isikhathi maybe akutshela isikhathi esirong futhi or isikhathi esiningi mawumbuza isikhathi udonsa ifoni yakho buke efonini akabuke la because la uyazi ukuthi iscoop maye kuma meetings ubusy uyakhuluma uthi because ukhuluma nescoop sakhe sikhona that one is 400,000 because it's mobile bese siyasuka sibe nesika 1.9 million iscoop leso esidonsayo but the other thing siphinde futhi sishaya izitha asishaya izitha ngokuthi maybe siyayishaya sayibulala bonke abantu abakulandelayo uzwa kuthiwa 1 umuntu okanje isitha sami uthe endaweni novelelwa i-car accident serious kakhulu ilesi yascoop because kunemithi kade yenza efika ishayeke kulesi scoop then we have iscoop sika 3.5 million that's when sesiqala ke sesithi sesingena kulento kuthiwa ama generator umbane endlini yakho ukhanyisa ufuna ipower engakanani sengiyakubuza indoda wena ungitshela uthi nani bese ungitshela uthi no nginama truck awu50 manginama truck awu50 asayenza imali izinto zonke ngithi okay and the other thing ngifuna ama tender but angathola ama tender bese ngithi okay this is the scoop sika 3.5 million listen here kule scoop sika 3.5 million ngicela unginike deposit at least $1 million then 2.5 ngizosithola kule scoop sami uthi isikhathi esingani within 6 months ngizosithola imali yami ngizoyithola ngalesi scoop what you do you talk to iscoop lesi ukhuluma naso then bese siba nalesi sika 4.5 million nesika 6.5 million leso ke ngihlala nawe phansi ngithi we talk secret things it requires igazi lenkomo igazi lemvu igazi lembuzi but it's up to you ukuthi uyayithatha noma uyithathi because inama advantage nama disadvantage and then ama advantage ukuthi izoza imali kaningi but the disadvantage ukuthi once you don't do lento esifunayo kunama consequences ozobhekana nawo so every time mangithe ngiyacela icoke ungamsayiphuzi ungayiphuzi because once wayiphuza icoke kunento ezoyenzeka ziyoqala izinto ezitwisteke then kwenzeka izinto maybe if I'm nowhere to be found akufanele ungiforce to take it because wena umosha izinto zakho so that is why ama price akho ahlukene kanjani
and then angibheka ama video khona abanye bobaba noma abanye abantu out there say asiki isigubu sika 6 million
abantu laba esilwa nabo asilwe nabo I know ukuthi le video yakho izotrenda ke manje because they will want to respond and I mean I don't argue with a fool you know even you've got your own boys obatrainile from down and when they are up there mabeqala bese bewona ngathi bayakwazi ukubhukuda bazothi no suka I can swim alone so abantu if you go to Soweto TV uye ku Tibotash or Tibotash will witness this ngeke ngasebenza mina kwi Soweto TV ngine show yami isintu sami and abantu kade ngibabuyisa laphana bonke from KZN from Gauteng inyanga kade ngiyibona ukuthi ziyahluleka ziphansi and I so wish to see them belapha yana phezulu and one of those people yibo labo bezwa bekhuluma kanjalo because ngibathathile ngathi phumani ngaphansi kwetafula the only way yokuthi uphushe lo msebenzi ukuthi ube phezulu kwetafula people so that people will recognize you so once now they are on top of the table bayabona baqale they start being recognized they will start saying you know what because when ulapha yana suka kule position and now we mean ekufanele ngihlale lapha wena suka uyohlala phansi so they will say whatever bafuna ukuyisho so because bafuna ukuyohlala lapha so leyo angifuni ukuyiphendula kakhulu because mina into engiyifundisiwe kuthiwe ungakhulumi kakhulu yenza umsebenzi wakho wona ozokukhulumela kubantu if manje ufika ukukhuluma kubantu uthi bengino Dr. Khehlelezi uzothi oh because they know umsebenzi yami I don't talk much mina ngiyayiprove mina angikhulumi kakhulu so leyo I wouldn't go into details but finally uyazi ukuthi it's one of those people who are jealous
yini ama boys
kahle ngeke uzuthola abantu behleli phansi bethi ama boys no nginento mina engiyenze ya simple ama boys imithi ehlanganisiwe uma siqala sithi ama boys sinento esithi amabutho sibe nento esithi izizwe kahle amabutho aqala ethi ayakhandwa umuntu mayezama ukupheka istew wahluleka ukupheka istew leyo nto yakhe igcine sekuyisopo nje eline sopo eline soup yini ugcina ungasayazi ukuthi uyibiza ngani right amabutho yinto ewumuthi ohlanganisiwe othi moyikhulumisa bese yenza leyo nto izizwe umuntu othema izama ukuyakha amabutho wahluleka wagcina lento siyibiza ngezizwe izizwe ziyathunywa then mayithunywa masithatha lamabutho siwathathe siye nawe ethuneni masifika nawe ethuneni bese siqeda sifuna izintuthwane ezisuka phansi kumuntu sithathe lezi izintuthwane sihlanganise namabutho bese siyigaye lento ibe ndawonye bese sihamba lento siyishisela impepho sihlanganise nomuthi wempepho leyo nto sesiyibiza ngokuthi ama boys why sithi ama boys because sengikwazi ukukhuluma nayo mangikhuluma nayo bese ngithi ngicela ningenzele u1 no 2 no 3 no 4 then iya commander there is a certain rule okufanele uyinike yona for example sekufanele uyinike amasi iphila ngamasi and number 2 uma ungayinika amasi into isikhathi esiningi yabona ngabe kuthiwa sikwe camereni khona information ade ngizokutshela yona ithi mayikhandwa leyo nto ifuna ngisho sometimes iphenti lomuntu wesifazane because kahle iphila kakhulu ukuze isebenze kakhulu ifuna kakhulu umuntu wesifazane once waqala wangayinika amasi izolala nawe uphuphulele intombazane enhle yona lento esilala nawe ayilifuni igazi cha ayilifuni igazi kuphela ifuna umuntu wesifazane noma umuntu wesifazane ifuna umuntu wesilisa that is why ekhemisi yami ngenze into encane isigubhu esincane ngathi isigubhu esincane those who don't afford to 85,000 go for this one for 2,400 then try that one once you see that one ukuthi business lakho liyaboosteka then you need to know ukuthi isigubhu vele naso sizokuvuma ngiyibiza ngokuthi ama boys for you to avoid ukuthi ilale nawe kufanele lento uyithathe uyifake phakathi kwempuphu ihlala phakathi kwempuphu every time mawuyisebenzisa uyayisebenzisa uyibuyisela empupheni ihlale lapho then izokwenza lento oyifunayo
yini ukubopha amabhandi
khona imithi esisho esithi ikhathaza kunomuthi okuthiwa ukhathaza kunomunye umuthi okuthiwa usigidi abanye babiza ngokuthi angazi noma imercury mercury masithatha lento le sithatha sihlala sihlanganisa bese sithatha kunemithi abathuma ibophe othathwa na ufaka bese kuba nemithi okuthiwa onukani miningi nje imithi yempi bese kuthiwa nemithi abathi uyisibaha bese sithatha nenhlamvu yesibhamu sithatha ipowder nayo sifake phakathi bese siyayigala bese kuba nomhlakaza masithatha lento lesihlanganisa bese sithatha ibhandi silithenge nje ibhandi nje noma kuthiwa yiliphi noma sithatha indwangu ecloth bese siyenza lento siyenza lento ibizwa ngesizulu kuthiwa incweba bese uyibophela ndawonye uma uyifake la you don't just put it here kufanele uqale ugcabe this powder uyifake la kuwena umuntu umuke wamshaya uwa phansi na kanjani lapho ke kufanele ufake uthathe nesandla semfene iminwe yakhona lesi sika right uyigahe lento ube suyihlanganisa lapha mawuyihlanganisa lento umuke wamshaya umuntu ngempama umshaya wephansi isikhathi esiningi lento isebenzisa ama bouncer abagada kuma tavern abagada kuma clubs ibounce ungalisukeli ngoba malifika kuthina lifuna into ukuthi mangimhlabe ngempama ngimshawe phansi sometimes ngeke avuke so ibouncer lihloniphe namaphoyisa lawa kuthiwa i-task force ne-TRT ibona abasebenzisa lezo zinto namasosha ngoba bafuna ukuthi 1 ukushawe phansi uthule nama-bodyguard asebenzisa lezo zinto ibhandi it's for protection nanokuthi mangiphusha umuntu likunika more power kahle usumbooster lowo muntu umnika more power uvela bahleke right into esetshenziswa umuntu emsebenzini let's say wena nabasebenzi bakho uyabona lo muntu uthi ngifuna uboss wami angithande right kunomuthi okuthiwa uvela bahleke kunomuthi okuthiwa umlomo omnandi uvela bahleka usebenzi wodwa kumele uthathe uvela bahleke uthathe umlomo omnandi uthathe umphame ephuce ebese uthatha ngikuthi ngiyabathwasisa ke bazothatha bayohlanganisa nabo ke beloko beyirewind behlanganisa ngingayisho yona
kumele baze ku
yeah kumele beze kumina bazokhokha ukuze ngoba sengiyabathwasisa manje ngibatshela yonke irecipe manje right mawuthatha lezo zinto kahle into esebenza kumuntu indoda yakhe engamthandi umfazi wakho akakuthandi unesidina kuyena leyo nto uyayithatha uyagcaba ngayo noma uyayigcaba emlonyeni wakho so that mawukhuluma kuzwe mawukhuluma kuthanda that is why kunenhlanga zothando inhlanga zothando isikhathi esiningi amajita ngifuna ukwenza ngwaTipis abe clever mawubona intombazane le ngathi sebenzisa umuntu mawuyolala nayo ungayikhumula ivest so that inkaba zenu zingahlangani once kwaqala kwahlangana inkaba ibhedile because ifakwa la enkabeni uyigcaba la enkabeni make kwahlangana inkaba zenu kuphelile
zifo zonke
uzifo zonke imbiza leyo. That is why ngithi mina nginembiza abathi uSlay Queen. Kahle kahle uSlay Queen ngiwenze ngoba ngangenzela amantombazana ahlushwa amadoda. Kunentombazana ethi mayiqeda ike yathandana iba kwi relationship nendoda, then mayike yalala naye kawani umfana uyabaleka without any reason. Athi umfana yazi nginestina, is because kunento kuyena isilwane isihleli ngakuyena. So mawuphuze uSlay Queen, uSlay Queen wenza ukuthi ushise okoqala ngathi kwi oven mayingena ubhuti ukhuluma isiChina. Leyo mbiza leyo ilapha nezinyawo, sifaka amakhamba amaningi alapha into eziningi. Thola ukuthi umuntu unenkinga ama-ulcer, unenkinga yeinyawo ezivuvukalayo, unenkinga yekhwapha elinukayo, unenkinga yomlomo onephunga. So leyo nto siyayithatha lembiza sifaka amakhamba amaningi, then siyibiza ngokuthi uzifo zonke. That is why mina ngayibiza yami ngathi uSlay Queen.
iplane yakho iyahamba kungekudala, ngicela sibambe la the second interview ngikufuna ngale ku Hustlers Corner. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Dr. Khehlelezi.
Mfowethu ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyafisa ukuthi abantu bangilandele nami kuma social media wami.
Ngicela
ukuba bangifonele ku-Instagram wami mfowethu Dr. Khehlelezi, bazobona ukuthi yami ina 111,000 abantu abangilandelayo. YouTube ina 141,000. It's Dr. Khehlelezi, bayobona izinto engizenzayo. Then ama numbers wami ngiyacabanga ukuthi akhona la, ayavela la makuthi uyavela. Bese kuthi noma bangifonele bathi 072 1234976 noma uthi 071 130 7808. La ngitholakala khona kuseThekwini every Wednesday ebusuku ngise 379 Mbilikicane Street ePinville Soweto. It's where I'm doing my consultation. Ngisebenza ubusuku bonke till morning Thursday. Then every Thursday ngise Cape Town ubusuku bonke lapha number 30 Waterkant pharmacy yami khona. Pharmacy yami khona la eGoli number 30 number khona Ilof and Commissioner ngase CCMA building. That's where you'll find my pharmacy. Umuntu ola ngicela ukuthi uye pharmacy izinto eziningi uzosizakala khona because nezinto ezigezi idlozi nezinto zenhlanhla oyithola khona. Otherwise sizohlangana the second one la uTempo ethu uzongibiza khona.
Dr. Khehlelezi ku YouTube, bese ungamthola futhi na ku Real TV1, that is also his channel. That's where he empowers young people abenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu in this space. Ngicela ukubonga kakhulu ngibonga isikhathi sakho.
Mfowethu ngiyabonga, ngibonga na ku team yakho mfowethu. Keep it up, pushani bafowethu.